FRS Powersports today. We're doing something a little different. We actually are unboxing our build for Mud Nationals. It's a 2020 Lonestar Defender, and this thing is going to be sweet. Can't wait for you guys to check it out. Let's go. Here we go!
Oh my goodness. I feel like we're uncovering a secret here. Oh my God, it looks so good. Look at that thing.
Gray flake on it? That looks awesome. Green almost.
Great. That's used to it, ain't gonna last way for long.
Boom.
Oh yeah. Oh my God, it smells like new car.
You got a skid plate on there.
Man, I knew it was gonna be pretty. I had no idea. This new color is awesome. Man. Oh my goodness, man. What do you think, Jake? Not bad, huh? Not bad.
You can find me right here, baby. Man, this thing is sick. Sorry.
Man.
We're just gonna drive off. It's got the auto stop on it. That's cool.
So the brand new 2020 Lonestar. Ooh! That does look good. Man.
Oh, she got a little. That's crazy.
Never be this fresh again. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous.
Grab a seat in that thing.
All right, let's check it out. Ooh, I like all the new buttons.
Probably a couple weeks. We got parts on the way. So. It'll be at Muddy Bottoms. I've never been there. Yeah, it'll be at both. Gotta send it off to.
What do you think, Mike? You gonna drive off?
What they gotta do there? Wrap it.
What do you think, Dylan?
The TRP stuff. Sick, man.
Woo!
You'll never see it look this good again.
Too bad. Too bad.
It won't be this clean anyway. Once it gets that little TRP touch, though.
Oh yeah, it's gonna look different quick. So what all we gotta do? Just connect the battery and
put the battery up, put some gas in it.
that's it?
Yeah.
Man, they make it easy on us, don't they?
Yeah, it's about time.
About time, you're right. Man. Oh man, and it comes with the little rock slider deal on it?
Yeah, the Lonestar does.
That's nice. I like that.
That's sick.
I really like that. Man, it is so clean. I like this new color a lot more than that black. That flake in there looks sweet.
Put the battery up, put the gas in there and get her on off here.
Get her on off. Great to go.
Oh, the bumper's got to go on. And then, oh, that's interesting how it's strapped down.
Bolt it down yet?
Yeah. Man. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be really big.
It's gonna be huge. They were worried
We're just
about
gonna
it
have to
fitting
wait
in
and
there.
see.
Worried about it fitting in the door here. Well, no, maybe not. Is it all the way up, Jake?
Yeah.
It'll be close to the top.
It's a big door. It's gonna be a big Defender.
Yeah.
Woo. I love these badges. These badges are cool.
They changed the color of the seats, didn't they?
Yeah. I like this new color is awesome. Because what was it, 18 and 19, both black?
Yeah.
Right?
And triple black.
And the
then
tan?
It was brown, yeah. It was
Yeah.
like the equestrian brown. Hey, look, you see they got a parking brake on it now?
Oh, cool. Was it just like lock the pedal down?
Yeah. But nonetheless, it's a fucking parking.
Oh, okay.
It's a real parking brake.
It's a bargain brake.
Cool.
That's cool.
Show them the cup holder if you close down.
Oh yeah, that part's awesome.
That's nice.
Man, these things are like
Oh, look,
trucks.
you got a little rub spot to put your elbow on the
Oh,
driver's
yeah.
side.
Man.
It's raised.
Driver seat's adjustable, front and back. Where's my, okay. Man, this thing,
Roof, that's pretty sweet.
this thing is sharp. Yeah, that's awesome. Comes with the roof. Wild, these things are so assembled.
Dude, what is the color on this color?
I'll bet it's got a really cool name.
It's a liquid.
He's making this up.
No, it's a liquid. I think it's a.
Liquid sea urchin.
It's not a liquid. I know the brown is what they use that.
Yeah, equestrian brown. That sounds.
No, that really.
Yeah, no, I know. I'm just saying. That's God, it's so freaking clean.
All right, you gotta take.
Oh,
Bolt here up.
Sorry, try to put that back on.
You know, they redid the front end for this year.
for the 20s.
Yeah, for the 20s. New grill.
That's awesome. It looks really good with this bumper on. I'm excited to see the bumper go on. Leave it to the professional. He's got this.
Are we sure?
Alright guys, y'all seen the 2020 Mud Nats build. Make sure you stay tuned. We've got a lot of people behind us on this one. A lot more cool videos coming up. Huge shout out to FRS Powersports for having us out today. Can't wait to see what's next.